DJI has long been a leader in drone technology, continuously refining its lineup to push the boundaries of aerial imaging and flight performance. With anticipation building around the rumored DJI Neo 2 and DJI Avata 3, drone enthusiasts are eager to see what advancements these next-generation models will bring. While no official specifications have been confirmed, examining previous releases allows us to speculate on the potential improvements DJI may introduce. From enhanced camera systems to longer flight times, let's explore what these two highly anticipated drones could offer. The original DJI Neo set itself apart with an incredibly lightweight design, weighing only 135 grams, making it one of the most portable drones available. The Neo 2 is expected to retain this ultra-compact form while incorporating refinements to enhance durability and aerodynamics. The use of impact-resistant materials and a redesigned frame could make it more stable in windy conditions while maintaining its travel-friendly size. Meanwhile, the DJI Avata 3 is likely to continue the rugged and crash-resistant design philosophy of its predecessor. The Avata 2, weighing approximately 377 grams, featured a protective frame tailored for high-speed FPV flight. The Avata 3 may take this a step further by incorporating stronger materials such as carbon fiber, offering greater durability without significantly increasing weight. These structural upgrades would allow for improved handling and better resistance to minor crashes, a crucial factor for FPV pilots pushing the limits of their flying skills. One of the key aspects drone users look for is battery life, as it directly impacts the flying experience. The original DJI Neo offered a flight time of about 18 minutes. Adequate for its category, but not particularly remarkable. The Neo 2 could bring substantial improvements in battery efficiency, potentially extending its airtime to around 25 minutes. Additionally, an upgraded transmission system might increase the flight range beyond 7 kilometers, allowing users to explore further without losing connection stability. For FPV enthusiasts, flight time and agility are paramount. The Avata 2 already offered a solid 23-minute flight duration, but many pilots crave more. If DJI optimizes power consumption and refines its propulsion system, the Avata 3 could see its flight time extended to an impressive 25 to 30 minutes. Enhancements in motor efficiency and aerodynamics might also boost top speeds beyond 30 meters per second, making it an even more formidable option for high-speed, immersive FPV flying. Such improvements would cater to both professional racers and cinematic drone pilots looking for dynamic, adrenaline-filled footage. A major factor influencing a drone's appeal is its camera quality, and both the Neo 2 and Avata 3 are expected to deliver significant upgrades. The first-generation Neo featured a half-inch sensor capable of capturing 12-megapixel photos and 4K video at 30 frames per second. While respectable, a move to a 1.13-inch sensor in the Neo 2 would drastically improve image quality, particularly in low-light conditions. This enhancement would enable better dynamic range, reduced noise, and richer detail. DJI might also introduce an advanced stabilization system, either through an improved dual-axis gimbal or cutting-edge electronic stabilization, ensuring smooth footage even in motion-heavy scenarios. The addition of a vertical shooting mode could further cement the Neo 2 as an ideal tool for social media content creators. On the FPV front, the Avata 2 already sported an impressive 1 to 1.3-inch sensor with a wide 155-degree field of view, capable of 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. To stay ahead of the competition, the Avata 3 might take things up a notch with a 1-inch sensor, offering superior low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and increased clarity. This would be a game-changer for FPV cinematography, allowing pilots to capture even more cinematic footage. There's also the possibility of introducing 4K at 120 frames per second, or even 240 frames per second, allowing for ultra-smooth, slow-motion recording. Stability remains crucial in FPV drones, and the Avata 3 may benefit from an improved rock-steady stabilization system or potentially even mechanical stabilization to enhance the fluidity of high-speed footage. For casual drone users and content creators, DJI's intelligent shooting modes provide an effortless way to capture stunning visuals. The Neo 2 could expand on its predecessor by integrating AI-driven subject tracking and advanced automated flight paths. One notable drawback of the original Neo was the absence of obstacle avoidance. With the Neo 2, DJI might introduce basic front and rear sensors to improve safety, making it a more beginner-friendly drone. As an FPV drone, the Avata 3 prioritizes manual control over autonomous flight modes. However, improvements in obstacle sensing could make it a more forgiving option for less experienced pilots. While the Avata 2 featured downward and backward sensors, the Avata 3 might add lateral detection to enhance safety in complex environments. Additionally, better GPS-assisted stabilization could make it easier for newcomers to transition into FPV flying without the steep learning curve. DJI's transmission systems have continually improved, ensuring better control, reduced latency, and clearer live feeds. The original Neo utilized the 04 transmission system with a range of 10 kilometers, which was already impressive for such a compact drone. However, the Neo 2 could introduce an enhanced version with even lower latency and a higher bitrate, ensuring smoother real-time footage. Faster file transfer speeds, possibly through Wi-Fi 6, would also be a welcome addition for users who frequently transfer footage to their mobile devices. For FPV drones, ultra-low latency is essential to maintain seamless real-time control. While the Avata 2's transmission system was already robust, any improvements in range, stability, and responsiveness would make the Avata 3 an even more compelling choice for professional pilots. Enhanced signal penetration could be particularly beneficial for flying in urban environments or dense landscapes where interference is common. Charging speed and convenience are crucial for drone users who want to maximize their flying time. The Neo 2's battery might support faster charging, reducing downtime significantly. A potential addition of a wireless charging option or a multi-battery charging hub could further enhance its practicality, making it an excellent travel companion. For the Avata 3, DJI could introduce quicker battery swapping mechanisms, allowing pilots to get back in the air with minimal delay. A higher capacity battery option might also be on the horizon for users willing to trade a bit of extra weight for longer flight durations. Additional accessories such as improved FPV goggles or modular camera mounts could further expand the Avata 3's capabilities. If the rumored specifications hold true, the DJI Neo 2 and Avata 3 will cater to distinct user groups. The Neo 2 is likely to appeal to casual users and content creators looking for a portable, high-quality imaging drone. With a compact design, improved camera system, and longer battery life, it could become a go-to choice for travelers and social media influencers. Conversely, the Avata 3 is tailored for FPV enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-speed performance and immersive first-person flight. Potential enhancements in flight time, camera capabilities, and durability could set a new standard in the FPV drone market, making it an appealing choice for racers and cinematic pilots alike. While these details remain speculative until DJI makes an official announcement, the potential upgrades indicate that both drones will bring exciting innovations to their respective categories. Whether you're looking for an ultra-lightweight imaging powerhouse or a high-performance FPV drone, the Neo 2 and Avata 3 are shaping up to be impressive additions to DJI's lineup.